Hey everyone, and welcome back to Trees and Tail Wags, where we're unboxing this month's Positive Pets Inc. August box. This is the Canadian all-natural subscription box that we have purchased for Max that we get for the next 6 months. This is the second month we're receiving it, so we still have 4 more months after this box. As you'll see in the following clips, that this box includes all items that are handmade and naturally made, and they're all proudly made in Canada. In every box we receive a thank you card and the personalized business cards. We always think this adds just a little personal touch to the box, which we always appreciate. And of course, the card is always actually directed at Max to tell him to enjoy his treats, from the CEO, Luna. So the first item we received is this handmade rope toy in the color blue. It actually feels like it has a good strength to it. We're gonna let Max try it out and hopefully not tear it apart. It's long and hopefully durable. In last month's box, we received Murphy's approved treats, which were beef lung, and for this month's, they're beef liver. These are small, simple treats made of just beef liver and, of course, love. These treats are very simple, they have a great shape to them, and we just rip off little small pieces for Max to enjoy. And of course, like all treats, Max loves it. We also received these poop bags last month. We were so excited to get them again because these are the most durable, largest poop bags we've ever had, and Max gives the biggest poops lately, so these are the perfect bags for that. This next treat for Max was a bone, and as I say that, I think of that scene from Brooklyn Nine-Nine with Captain Holt. This is a simple bone for Max to enjoy. It's a great size. He's going to be keeping himself busy with that for a while. I unfortunately don't have a better description for this, but it is an animal antler. It just seems like something that we can give Max like a bone, so we're going to see how he enjoys it. I'm not sure, since this will be his first time trying it. Up next, we received this coupon from Paws to Bark, the Pooper Scoopers. It offers us 1 week of free poop scooping. Unfortunately, we don't have a backyard just yet, but there's no expiry, so we'll be holding on to that for a while. Another great product that we were happy to get was this allergy spray. It's very similar to last month's, I believe it was tick and flea spray. It's simple essential oils and water. It just comes in a simple spray bottle, and it's great to use on Max. And our last item is this super cute keychain / dog tag. It's from Woofer Wears, which is similar to the Woofer Wash that we got from the dry shampoo last month. It says "Cutie on Duty." It's just so perfect. We love it, and Max is probably going to wear it all the time now. That was the August unboxing of Positive Pets Inc. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us to see us for more unboxings and adventures with Max.